Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to hide apps on POCO M8 Pro. So first go into the settings, scroll down to apps and app lock. Click turn on and here you need to create a pattern, then confirm it and next. Here are your current Xiaomi account. Add your Xiaomi account to be able to reset password. I'll say not now. I need to wait a couple of seconds. Okay, not now. And here you can select app to lock them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.